Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day today, and my best green day in my trading career ever. Yo, what up, traders? Let's get into it. So, got a nice green day, biggest green day I ever had, and I'm the reason why I'm not happy with my green day, because I felt like I was all over the place today. I feel like I was all over. I traded pre-market when I wasn't supposed to. Yesterday I traded pre-market and I ended up holding the stock, and I ended up losing $100 yesterday. And I only took one trade yesterday, so that's why I didn't post a video, because I don't want to post this one trade, then a loser at that, and I don't know if I'm gonna get views or what. So yesterday I traded pre-market, and I got burned, man. I bag held. You're gonna see I'm gonna show you guys a similar setup that I did today, but today actually worked for me. So my new thing now, though, I'm not trading pre-market no more. I haven't traded this account for a while. Hold up, what the hell? Oh, that's right, big trade. Sorry about that. So I haven't traded in this account I haven't traded with CMEG in a while. So I haven't traded pre-market in months. So my strategy, I haven't really traded pre-market. So it doesn't work. Like the past couple of days, my strategy hasn't really worked pre-market. It hasn't been enough volume. So here, this is gonna be a bad trade. I'm gonna get in it, but I just like I said, I'm just all over the place. I'm trying to find myself, I guess, with this CMEG account, and I think I'm acting like this because I know that it's so easy to make good money with this account. Like, it's easy to make money, so I find myself I find myself being antsy and wanting to hurry up and rush and take a trade instead of waiting and see what the market does, waiting for some levels to develop. So, gotta work on that next week. Just be more patient next week, because a lot of my setups has not been opening has been working at 9:30. Anyway, I jumped in here at $5.66, and look how heavy it is acting. Look how heavy it's acting. This is pre-market, so the volume is going to be different from when the market open, which is why I probably shouldn't have took that trade. So I took it off for 10 cents. I'm down about $30, about $38. Here I'm gonna get another trade, pre-market trade, and I'm trying to play off a bounce off the wicks. Like, I missed this play here. I missed this long play here, but it didn't really pull back. I wanted to pull back to the 555 level. It didn't really do that. It started pushing up before, so I missed this play, and I feel like I'm going to FOMO. Like, these two wicks here are good, but it's not going to break out, man. Pre-market volume it's just different trading pre-market. Yeah, my pre-market trade has been sloppy, but then as soon as the market opens, everything flows for me. I get better trades. You'll see. So here, like, I'm wanting to dump. Like, there's a wall here, so this is going to be a bad trade. I shouldn't even try to take a trade here. But I'm like, it didn't flush, so I FOMO'd into this. I got in at 574. I got it at a wall, and that's it. It's not going to go up no further than this. That was it. Bad trade. I should have cut this off right there. This is not me. I would say this is not me trading, but I couldn't. I don't know why I took this trade here. Don't know why, except for me just FOMOing and me wanting to make some money. I need to let my trades just come to me, and the money will come. So I'm in at 574, and look how heavy it's acting. Look at the level 2. Look at the ads. Look how thick it is. When I was in my small account, my cash account, trading 10, 25 shares, I wouldn't have took this trade. Probably because I had to be more disciplined in my cash account, because my buying power would go away. So I took it off. I got a loss. So here, right, is this now. This I'm gonna take a setup here. It's gonna be this same setup that I took yesterday, pre-market, but it wasn't at 928. It was at like 920, 915, and I bag held it. Got dumped on when the market opened. As it got dumped on, I sold it. Here today, I waited 2 minutes before the market opens, like right here, and it's just gonna work out for me here. This was a better setup. I traded ALLG yesterday. Like, that stock is above my price range. Yeah. Like I broke rules today to make the $200. I broke some rules to make that money, and that's why I don't. That's why I don't like my trading. I felt like I was just lucky today. Like I'm down about $70 right now. There you go. I'm down $75 right now. $75 with $100 max day stop loss limit. So it's not looking good for me. But I cut my losses and I don't give up. Like I if I didn't cut my losses those first two trades, I would never got this $200 day. It wouldn't happen. See, look how they're struggling right now. Watch from the open on out. Watch how easier my trades will be. Watch. So here, see how I was holding up. This should be my first entry. At 555 should have been my first entry, but I jumped in there early. So I won't do that again. So I'm up. Try to get a nice bigger rip than that, and took it off right there. I was just down $75. Now I'm down $51, maybe about $20 there. I would jump back in here. See, I'm used to the open. I'm used to trading the open. My strategy works better in the open. I'm sorry my tape's fluttering like this. Sorry about that. It's not my internet, nothing like that. It's not even the tape. It's just my recorded. When I recorded it, started doing this. So here I'm going to get a nice little trade, little dip. There it goes, thinning out. Look at the level 2. There it goes, thinning out. But it's not going up, so no trades didn't jump in there. I'm going to jump in here soon. I don't know why it's so jumpy like this, man. The level 2. It was not doing this live. It was actually readable. So I jumped in there at 570, right? And that's kind of like, that was good. That was an okay trade. See that wall at 570? But I like that wick it did on the 1 minute chart. So I took this trade off the 1 minute. And I'm getting a nice little pop. I was trying to get that 20 cent pop, but I don't get it. Boom, took it off right there. So I just wish I didn't trade pre-market at all. Like I'm gonna stop trading pre-market. That's how I'm gonna adjust to my trading. I'm not trading pre-market no more, man. Look at 2 winning trades out by the open. Like I'd have been done for the day if I didn't trade pre-market. If I didn't trade pre-market today, I wouldn't have made $200 a day. Cause those 2 trades right there, I would have been done for the day. You know, I wasn't trying to make $200. That was a home run trade. I'm gonna see it. That was a home run trade. Got lucky, man. So here's pushing up again. Do I take a trade here? Not sure. It's gonna push up through 6. I don't think I get in. Yeah, so there's a little volatility here, struggling at this level here, wall at 593, 94. I wonder if I get it. I think I'm gonna get it on like a washout. Wall at 6. And see how I'm slowing down? I'm slowing down. That's all I'm doing. I'm just slowing down my trade, not rushing in anything. I'm trying to wait and see if $6 on the break and hold. So didn't hold. It broke out. Didn't hold. So now I know I'm looking for like a red candle to get in on it. To take a trade off. Take a trade off of. So here we go. Gonna get a washout here. This is my strategy, like I normally do with my small cash account. Jumping in at 588, and I'm gonna get a quick little pop. I got out at 593. That was a 5-cent pop. Now I'm only down $14 on the day. So I started coming back. Like those were 3 green trades in a row when the market opened. So I'm not trading pre-market no more. I know I said that plenty of times in this video. So now the volume is slowing up, and I shouldn't be taking the trade. I don't want to take this trade is because I'm down $14. So I want to get green, and I gotta chill out with that. Oh, I'm down 14. I gotta get green. I gotta chill with that because the opportunity is not there to trade. I just gotta take that $14 loss and just be happy with it. That it wasn't a $100 loss. You know what I mean? So it's not even a good setup. Not even on the 1 minute. We got those wicks down there, but it broke the VWAP too much. So it's very heavy. This is very, very heavy. AGRI started acting heavy here. Like the VWAP. It's hard for the VWAP to bounce and hold here. So this is gonna be a losing trade. Look how heavy is acting. Wall at 575. Can he get through it? Hit the seller. Got through it. Wall at 577 now. Drop back down to 575. I'm looking at the axe. So I cut it off after that. It's red tape. Could not hold 570. Went to test 575. I sold it. So here is where I'm gonna hit my home run play. So and this is I'm so happy I hit this play. So anyway, I jumped in there at 1681. Look at the spread. It's 30-cent spread. Like, this is why I say I got lucky on it, man, because I took 300 shares here. Halt resume. It did my strategy. I got the pullback. And I just went for it, man. I just went for it. I said, man, I'm taking this trade, man. I took the trade. I would have took this trade in my small cash account. You know what I mean? I gotta get that mindset right. I gotta transfer my mindset. So anyway, I gotta get my mind right. So I took this trade. I said, man, I'm taking this trade. It did my setup. It's a good setup. Took that trade. And boom, I got a crazy rip. And then it ripped up some more. I got a crazy rip, man. I was so happy right there, man. Like, look at that. Let me go back. My P&L for the day, 197 after commissions. I really made 254 bucks. 197 after commissions. You see how this my equity is $872 because I lost $100 yesterday. So now that $200 day put me above $1,000 and I'm feeling good for next week. And I'm not trading pre-market. Thank you guys for watching. Money Games.